guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I am so tired. Today is gonna be a very busy and long day. I don't even know where to begin. But I got up so early because I need to, well, I already have all my stuff together, but I'm gonna have to pack my truck up, and I'm doing it all by myself. I have no one helping me, so that's kind of like the down path to it. So I won't be able to vlog everything because, you know, I'll just be on the go. I can't be back and forth with the camera and stuff like that. But I'll try to vlog as much as I can. I'm about to hit the showers. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna get a bite to eat. I might get something when I reach at the location, but for now it's all about getting myself together and getting out of the house. So I just picked up my camera real fast so I can give you guys an idea of what my day will be like today, and it will be a long day. I'm actually heading to one of the mall in my area. I'm not gonna give you guys too much details. You have to watch the vlog to see all of that. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm so grateful for the opportunity. So yeah, that's basically it. Keep on watching, guys, but I'm gonna jump in the shower, get myself together. I have to pack this truck up and then be on my way because I have to be on site for 7 a.m. all right, so I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Except that I got a big pack and a big flag.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is a great day and I am super excited because I am having the opportunity to do something that I've never done before. So it's really just a wonderful day. I'm super excited, and I'm not gonna tell you guys have to wait and see. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but I will share the info in the latter part of the video. So right now I'm in this big open parking lot. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? Yeah. And I am so early because I do have a lot of unpacking to do. My car trunk is packed with goodies. So yeah, I'll share the rest of the day as we go along. But yeah, I'm here. I'm hungry. I had to wake up at 5 a.m. Well, I got up at 4:30. I finished getting dressed at around 5:15, and then I had to load the car, and now I'm here. So yeah, it's gonna be a long day. Long day. Long day. So I made sure to dress comfortably. I'm wearing my sneaks, my leggings. It's a little bit chilly, so I have my jacket on. But yeah, that's that. But I'll pick back up my camera when I get on the inside. Oh, so we're on this journey together. Say hi to the camera, Bianca.
Hi.
So she is also a boss lady. She has her own restaurant and she's looking to venture out in basically number 2. So we're excited. We're here. We're making it happen, man. We're just trying, yeah? All right, so I'll pick back my camera up when we get on the inside. Okay, so this is the back entrance of the mall, and this is where we'll be entering from. Right now, I'm just gonna be unloading the car. I have this wagon that I'm gonna use to put my stuff in to take it back and forth. So yeah, let's do what we do. be hanging today. So this is the area. You'll be right outside of Macy's. So guys, I'm picking back up the camera. I just finished unpacking. So this is what we have going on here. This is my table. This is my setup. Yeah. We out here. We outside. Our Valentine's Day collection. So pretty. Hey guys, so we are almost winding down. I am so tired. I can't tell you how tired I am, but at the same time, I'm super grateful for this opportunity. It has been amazing. Nothing short of the glory of God. Can you guys see my eyes? I'm burnt out. I'm so tired, but yeah, we're still here. I got some food to eat earlier, so I feel a little bit better. It's now 6 p.m. I leave here at 8, so I have 2 hours to go. It's been great, and I really can't complain. So I'm happy for today. So I'll pick up my camera again when it's time for me to leave. I'm gonna have to pack up all of this and get it together. That's the hard part. That is really the hard part. Guys, I'm just getting in and I'm super tired, but I just wanted to come on so I could end this vlog. I didn't get a vlog when I was breaking down and packing up. I was just too tired. And I just wanted to get out of there. But overall, today was a good day. I had a great experience. And overall, it was just wonderful. And I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. But when I tell you, it's a lot of work. It's a whole lot of work. So right now, I'm about to jump in the bath. I'm going to get a warm bath. I'm just going to soak my body for a while. I might sit in the tub for 40 minutes to an hour. My muscle is pretty sore, but yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy. My best seller for today was the fedoras and my love jar and accessories and handbags. Yeah, those really went well today, so I'm absolutely proud of myself. Big shout out to the Almighty God. Without him, nothing is possible, so I have to big him up always. But yeah, guys, oh God, I'm tired. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I'll catch you in the next vlog.